Hi, I've got a drop-down box that populates the repeating section. The active row in the repeating section populates the filter, and the filter then filters the list. So we have the three components you asked for. The repeating section is just built completely normally. You have the top level and you have the repeating part. I've bound the fields in the normal way. Filter and list aren't bound. It gets a bit upset about that, but everything else is pretty standard. So I've then not used a single client-side event, and I've not used a server-side event, and I haven't used any JavaScript functions. Because it's relatively straightforward, I've just done it on events on the object. So here we have the drop-down box, and on change in the drop-down, I populate the controls and then I run this JavaScript. So I find the repeating section row number, I get the value out of it, and then I populate filter. This, I've checked the checkbox at the bottom to run them synchronously, because JavaScript's asynchronous and I wouldn't have got that information if I'd done it straight away. So you notice the little checkbox is ticked. Now, the repeating section, what I've said here is, on click, or the click event, please tell me the repeating section row number, and from that I've got the data out of there, and then again I've set the filter. Now obviously the filter field you can hide. Don't hide it server side because you can't use it, but the list control is then on the on change event is just filtered client side. Now when we run through this, you'll see a deliberate mistake just pointing it out to you. So here we are. We choose a color which populates that, which then filters the list. Okay. Now if we go there, we'll get the answer we expect. But when we go to this line, we don't get the answer we expect, because Alpha is doing a like search and we have 5 space liter. It doesn't worry about the 2 point in the 2.5 liters. So you just need to bear that in mind. Hope this helped.